Hi Mini Kit Monday friends. So for my October 2020 kit reveal, it's going to be super simple because I'm going to be using my kit from the scrapbookingstore.com. So I am on the design team there, so I get the kit, which is a collection kit, as well as the upgrades. And this month, let me go out just a little bit. This month we are using Echo Park Paper Company Hello Fall. And I have the full collection kit, and I did a very in-depth unboxing so on my channel, so I'll go just a little quicker. So it is double side pattern papers, and I do have, or I'm lucky enough to have 2 of most of the papers. I think it's 2 of each, as well as some 3x4 cards, 4x6 cards, 4x4 cards or 3x3 cards, you know, the whole thing. So extremely fallsy, really nice rich reds, wheat color, super saturated depth in the brown, which I do like. I will be doing one Halloween looking at layout with this Halloween-esque. So I'm going to bring in a little bit of vibe with that as well. You see the sticker sheet. Now the upgrades we got with that kit club is we did get this Halloween set. We have 3 Jolie's Boutique upgrades. Maybe you can see them better if I go kind of like this on the sticker sheet. So I have a Halloween one with these really great leaves with a gem. And then this one that has this great, it has a really great wreath and some Indian corn, little leaves, things like that. So I have that, which is super cool. And now I'm going to also bring in just a couple supplies, not many at all, from my own stash. I do like a nice thicker when I create, and there's plenty of titles that I can get and things I can do from this, like Falling for You, I could easily do as a title and all of that. But I am bringing in this set of thickers. They're called Marquee, and they're glitter chipboard letter stickers. So it's like a wood grain with gold glitter. And I happen to have, let's see, are these even open? 2 full sets and 1 partially used set. So I just thought I'd throw them all together. So I have that to go with it. And I'm also bringing in a set of sequins. I have some orange self-adhesive sequins. I got these once upon a time at Michael's. They were cheap on an end cap. I have a very partial set of enamel dots from Simple Stories in good fallsy colors. And then I also have a set of gems and pearls. This is going pretty brownish. This is black, and these are regular old white pearl color. So that is what I will be using for my October 2020 Mini Kit Monday set of supplies, as well as my scrapbookingstore.com design team stuff with just a little extra goodies thrown in. All right, that's it for today, friends. I'll be back next Monday with layouts from this kit. Bye-bye now.